If you're a content creator, you know the struggle, jumping between different websites just to find the right tools for your work. Well, what if I told you there's one website that has everything you need in one place? From face swap in photos and videos to AI image to video, AI video enhancer, text-to-speech, and much more. In today's video, I'll show you how this all-in-one toolkit can take your content creation to the next level. Let's get started. Open your browser and search for aisaver.io. The website will appear, and you can also find its direct link in the description. First, you have to click Sign Up here to create an account. Then, click Continue with Google. After choosing your Google account, you'll be signed in. On your very first sign-in, you'll automatically receive 100 free credits. This is a complete tool hub where you'll find a wide range of tools that content creators use daily, such as photo face swap, video face swap, gender swap, AI dance generator, AI kiss video generator, and countless others. In short, it's a proper toolkit that can take your content creation to the next level. Under the Products section, you'll find all kinds of face swap tools, along with a variety of image generators. You'll also see multiple video generators for creating all sorts of fun videos. In addition, there are separate tools for downloading videos from almost any platform, as well as AI tools like a video enhancer and text-to-speech generator. Once you visit this website, I doubt you'll feel the need to go anywhere else. Since there are so many tools, in this video we'll focus on its featured tools. The rest you can explore yourself. First up is the Face Swap tool, where you can swap faces in photos, videos, or multi-face videos within seconds. Let's start with Photo Face Swap. The process is very simple. First, upload the source image, the photo where you want the face to be replaced. Then, upload the target face image, the face you want to insert into the first photo. Finally, click the Swap Now button, and within seconds you'll have your result. Here's the before and after comparison. As you can see, it's done a professional, seamless job. Now, let's move on to Video Face Swap. The process is almost the same. First, upload the video where you want the face to be swapped. Then, upload the target face image you want to bring into that video. Below the video preview, there's also a trimming option in case you want to cut out unnecessary parts from a longer video. You can also choose between two models, Basic and Professional. I selected Basic with HD quality, clicked Swap Now, and it charged 54 credits. In just a short while, the video was ready, and the result was absolutely flawless. No distortion, no quality loss, the face blended in naturally, and the output stayed in full HD. It looked smooth and professional, even though I only used the basic model. There's also a multi-face swap tool for videos, something you won't find on most other websites. Simply upload a video containing multiple faces, then click Analyze Video. The AI will detect the faces and give you options to upload the replacement images. In this example, my video had two faces, so I uploaded two new images. After generating the swap, here's the result, and it's amazing. Both girls' faces in the original video are now swapped with the boys' faces, and the blend is so natural it looks like original footage. The next tool is AI Image to Video. Here, you can turn any image into a short video. I'll upload this image as an example. You can crop it and set the aspect ratio before confirming. Then, add a prompt describing what kind of video you want. For example, I typed a baby girl smiling while holding a leaf. You can write anything according to your image. Next, choose the duration, either 4 seconds or 8 seconds. I selected 4 seconds and clicked Generate Now. Here's the final result. The AI has created a video from my image exactly according to my prompt. The third tool is the Video Downloader, an essential for any content creator who needs to download videos from different platforms daily. This site has separate downloaders for almost every platform. For example, if I want to download a video from TikTok, I simply select the TikTok downloader. I already have a TikTok video open, so I click Share, copy its link, return to the tool, paste the link, and click Download. The site fetches the video and gives you two options. If the video contains a face, you can even perform a face swap directly from TikTok without downloading it first. Otherwise, just click the download button and the video is saved to your PC. No watermark, no quality loss. Finally, let's check out the Kiss Video Generator. You have two options, upload a couple photo or upload two separate photos. I'll upload the first image, adjust the ratio, and confirm. Then, I upload the second image and confirm again. Next, choose the kiss style. Options include French Kiss Pro, Rain Kiss, and Kissing Pro. I selected the first option and clicked Generate. Here's the result. As for pricing, their starter plan costs only $10, and includes 2,000 credits. It's not just this, but you can also click on free credits and claim 50 free credits every day. As soon as you click Claim Now, those free credits are added to your account immediately, since you get over 30 different tools on a single website, all of which can be very helpful for content creation. The link is in the description. Please give it a try. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like and subscribe. I upload videos about AI tools on a daily basis. See you in the next one.